In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ice maker receiver shutoff slide in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If the receiver shutoff slide breaks, you won't be able to manually turn on or off the ice maker. If you need to buy a new ice maker receiver shutoff slide, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. To remove the ice bin, open the ice bucket cover by pressing the locking tab up. Then, insert your fingers into the opening, pull the latch towards you, and lift up. This is how the latch works to release the ice bin. If the bucket is frozen in place, you may need to thaw before removing. Now, using a small flat blade screwdriver bit, carefully insert it between the cover and door and pry to release. Be careful as it's still connected by wires. Next, using a needle nose pliers, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws and gently lift off the control board. Now, remove the shutoff slide by lifting up. When shopping for a new ice maker receiver shutoff slide, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag in your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To reinstall the shutoff slide, align and set in place. To reinstall the control board, align it to the screw holes on the cover and reinstall the 2 screws. To reinstall the cover, start by reconnecting the electrical connector. Then, insert the locking tabs at an angle and firmly press back in place. To install the ice bin, align the bin in the opening and set in place. It will make an audible click when locked back in place. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.